Hello, welcome back. In this video I will talk about rectangle tool. This is the icon of rectangle tool. Just click on it and you can draw rectangle or squares. If you want to draw square, just press on Ctrl and Shift. Ctrl and Shift. It will be created from the center, as you can see, and with constant proportion you can draw a rectangle, or you can draw a rectangle square or rectangle with constant proportion. Also you can draw rounded corner rectangle. As you can see, this is a circle. As you can see, I draw a round corner rectangle. Like this. Just click on rectangle tool to modify this node and this node to draw a round corner square or rectangle. You can draw a button by like this. You can use this button for web design, or you can draw a rectangle. This is all things about rectangle tool. Thank you very much.